Yo, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? What's good, baby? I got a surprise to show y'all, man. I got something behind y'all. Me, that, man, y'all ain't seen nothing like this in a long time, man. Fresh off the press, though. Old but new. Come on in, baby. Yeah, feast your eyes, Jack. Beautiful, Jack. Beautiful. Look at this machine. Gotta love it, man. 454.
What's up, Kevin?
Gotta love it, man.
Man, yesterday.
Fresh off the press, you guys. Remember it? Only got 40-something thousand miles. Pristine condition, you guys. 454, 1989, 454. I had to show you guys this beauty, man. Look how straight the body is, man. Woo! Perfect condition, man. I seen the restore on this, yeah, frame off restoration. It was taken off the frame. I won't open the glass, but let y'all see in there a little bit. 43,000 miles. Gotta love it, y'all. Gotta love it, man. You don't see them like this every day. I had to get a video just to show y'all. So if y'all didn't believe me, now y'all believe. Yes, sir, man. Beautiful truck. Y'all remember when these came out? I know y'all want to see under the hood. Let's see, it may be open. See if I open that, y'all see it. Yeah, look at y'all. Gotta love it. 40, told y'all 43,000 miles. 43 original thousand miles. Gonna clean it up on the inside, but you see it. That's how they came off the line back in the day. 454 SS, baby. We just gotta clean it up the inside a little bit. Gotta love it, man. Beautiful truck. Thank y'all for coming along to the channel, man. Again, you're riding with your boy Out Muscle, man. Yes, sir. Everything redone, frame off restoration. Get underneath and let y'all see it. Everything been redone. Frame off. You see it. I would open the hood, but I ain't gonna bother. I'll let y'all see everything been redone, repowder coated. Gotta love it, man. Yes, sir. 454, baby. Act like you know. Original cap. Original BF Goodrich. Radio TAs. So beautiful, man. This truck is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Y'all hit that subscribe button, Jack. Something you ain't seen like this in a long time. Fresh off the press. You only get it here without muscle, man. It's a beauty.
Hey, Kevin.
Beautiful truck. We'll see y'all on the next episode, though, baby. 100. Beautiful. Make sure I get all of this for y'all, man. Beautiful. I had to get it, man.